Wow.
Oh God.
Where did it go?
He just went boom. Oh.
He died.
Did you see that? His head just went where?
Is he
Like,
dead?
bam.
He's dead.
I think he might be dead. Why are you zooming in on his face?
Dead. He's trying to dab.
Oh my God, he's trying to dab. He's dead, but he's still dabbing.
Dabbing is so cringy.
You telling me, bruh?
No, shoot that guy. Shoot. How did they not just
Stick a grenade to their butt. Oh my God.
shoot her in the head? Him. Trains.
Boop. Whee!
Okay, that was just a fail.
Look at her butt, just going where? Oh.
Explosion. That was a huge fail.
That is called exploding people.
That guy.
More people getting exploded.
Did you just grapple? No. Oh my God. You just punched him. But yeah, you grapple hooked him.
Wait, I wonder what happens if you stick grenades to his body and then make him fly.
Yeah.
And make him fly, even with he has a grapple on.
Stick it on him. I don't think it's gonna go on him. Oh.
Stick it on him in any place, Jack.
Stick it up. Oh wow. Oh my God.
It's in
Where
him.
is it? Oh, it's on him. It's definitely on him. Wait, is it?
Where?
Did you just detonate it?
Yes. Look what's happening. Show the picture.
You
Oh,
just
God.
hurt yourself.
Well, that's the end of this clip.